Hi there, this is Diana with Paper Pineapple, and today I have a short little video. I went ahead and ordered the January 2023 kit from Elle Studio, and just came in. I just got it today. So here is the thank you, and here's the kit. Can't remember which kit it is, but so it comes with these little tags. It's got a couple ampersand, photos and stories. Fresh day is a fresh start. Every day is a fresh start. Cool little. What are these things called? I guess ephemera pieces. It's got these little tabs. I love you so much. We had the best time. Full heart. Super cute. This is my first time ordering a kit from Elle Studio. Wanted to give it a try and see which kit I like the best. I'll probably just buy a kit here and there from different places and see what I like. It's got a 4x6 here. I really like the colors on that. 2023, love that. Probably use that for my title page. It's got this blue 4x6. So it only came with three 4x6s. And then these are the cards here, the 3x4 cards. Love this. XOXO. Hugs and kisses. I've got this red stripy one. This Monday through Sunday. Journaling card. 3 reasons why. I love that. I love how colorful it is. It's got the pinks, the reds, and the blues. It's got this cute one. Current favorites. That. Love you forever and always. Hello New Year. Probably that would be a great one to use for also for title page or week 1. It's a cute one with a little tab on it. Lovely moments. That's cute with the hearts in there. Journaling card focusing on today, this month, this year. It's great. A fun time with you. And it's got a place to journal there with place details and date. And then there's a cute one there for journaling as well. You and me equals love. Like that. I like the teal or the aqua minty colors. And then here's a cute journaling card, and then here's this cute stripy one. I like the colors on this. So yeah, that is it, guys. So now that my kit has arrived, I will be putting together my title page, and we'll be documenting week 1 and week 2 of my 2023 Project Life album. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next prepped video. Bye guys!